Welcome to the Drive Hub. If you're looking for a new car that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 cheapest cars in the USAFIR 2025. From fuel efficiency to surprising features, these cars prove that affordable doesn't have to mean boring. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what makes a car truly affordable. It's not just a sticker price, it's the cost of ownership, fuel economy, reliability, and value for money. The cars on this list have been chosen for their low price tags, practical features, and dependability. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking for an extra vehicle, these cars are perfect options. At number 5, we have the Kia Rio, starting at just $17,000. The Rio is a compact car that offers great fuel efficiency at 36 mpg combined and a smooth driving experience. Don't let its size fool you. The Rio comes packed with features like a modern infotainment system and advanced safety options like lane keeping assist. It's perfect for city dwellers who need an affordable and reliable daily driver. Coming in at number 4 is the Nissan Versa, with a starting price of just $16,000. It's one of the most affordable sedans in the market, and it offers impressive features for its price. The Versa is ideal for first-time car buyers. With its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and excellent warranty, you're getting incredible value for your money. At number 3, we have the Mitsubishi Mirage, known for its unbeatable fuel efficiency. With a starting price of $16,245, the Mirage offers an impressive 43 mpg on the highway. If saving money on gas is your top priority, the Mirage is a fantastic choice. It's small, nimble, and comes with one of the best warranties in the industry. However, it's not the most powerful car on this list, so it's best for city commutes and light driving. Next on our list, at number 2, is the Chevrolet Spark, priced at $14,595. It's not just affordable, it's also surprisingly fun to drive, with vibrant color options and a sporty feel. The Spark is great for urban drivers who need a small, reliable car that's easy to maneuver. Despite its low price, it comes with features like a 7-inch touchscreen and a backup camera. However, its limited rear seat space may not make it ideal for families. And finally, taking the top spot is the Hyundai Accent. Starting at $16,500, the Accent is an all-rounder, combining affordability, fuel efficiency, and a touch of elegance. The Hyundai Accent stands out for its refined design and premium feel, despite its budget-friendly price. It's perfect for long commutes, thanks to its comfortable seating and excellent build quality. Plus, Hyundai's warranty gives it a big edge over competitors. Affordability doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality or features. These cars prove that you can own a great vehicle without spending a fortune. Which of these cars would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Drive Hub, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content. See you in the next video.